My intention is to build an O-scale building with 3 windows, not particularly in these type, in the gable end, and it will be a shoe store. I got this picture off the internet. Now these are the walls that I have cut up, and I have put them on a piece of plastic, and I put a rubber mold around them. Alright, this is the rubberized mold put on a piece of plastic. Inside this form will be the walls with the windows and a couple of little fancy items I added to the gable end to make it look pretty much realistic. I hope it comes out. Okay. Now I gotta remove the rubber from the positive. So far pretty good. Okay. Here's the original, which would be the positive. This is the negative. As you can see, it's rubber. I think it came out pretty decent. Let's see. Got a little trimming to do here and there. Get rid of this flash in here and see how it comes out. Okay. I usually take a pair of scissors. Now, this is my first attempt at a video, so if it comes out botched up, sorry about that. I use the scissors, remove some of the flash here and there. I'll use some sort of plaster of Paris of some sort. Of course, I almost probably knock the camera over as I'm doing this, but this might be boring. But it gives you an idea how good the form comes out if you just make a decent mold, or a positive. I guess you shouldn't call it a mold. I guess you make a decent positive. Then you can trim it all up. Just bringing this picture in so you can see the idea. There's the gable end I want to do, and then it looks something like that. And here we go again. Got my finger in there, filling all those little holes. Alright, here it is, all poured in. Trying to move it and it's stuck. Gotta let it dry out. Alright, we'll come back. And see how good it came out by taking out the plaster. Okay, removing it from the mold. Removing it from the board. It's still a little green, but I think it'll come out okay. And let's see what we got. Pretty good. Excellent. Alright. Came out decent. Now I'm going to make 2 more.